Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota CHR. This has the limited package. It's in the Blizzard Pearl exterior, and it has the two-tone brown and black leather interior. Let's take a look inside. It has all auto up and down power windows, power locks, power mirrors, which are also power folding. Throughout the car, the interior and the exterior, you're going to find a diamond design. The front seats are manual adjustable, but the driver's seat has a two-way power lumbar support. And over here we have auto high beams, which is part of Toyota's safety sense, standard on the CHR. It's for gas release and the interior lights for the dash. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel Bluetooth and audio controls. Also part of Toyota's safety sense is the pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and it has dynamic rider cruise control. It's a push button start. It's a 4.2-inch multi-information display screen with the shortcut buttons on the steering wheel. You have a digital speedometer, distance to empty on the gas tank, G monitor. This will tell you when it's time to rest, so a coffee cup will appear. There's your fuel economy, eco indicator, and then back to your digital speedometer. So there's that push button start. It has a standard 8-inch touchscreen display. This is your home screen. And this is also where the backup camera is. Has a 6-speaker audio system that's compatible with the Apple CarPlay. It has a digital clock. Auto dual zone climate control settings. Has air conditioning. Rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. There's a windshield wiper deicer. There's your heated front seats. USB and auxiliary ports. Good place to charge your phone. You have cup holders. It's CVT transmission. There's your park brake. Traction control, brake hold. So that lets you take your foot off the brake whenever you're stopped at a stoplight or stop sign, if you don't want to keep holding it. It's 12-volt accessory outlet in the glove box. So you can see the seats and the door trim all have that diamond theme. And this is geared towards the driver, so it's pretty neat. An auto dimming review mirror. The interior lights. More diamond shapes. And then it has the emergency button as well. They're 18-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. There's a smart key entry system. Has a combined fuel economy rating of 8.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Includes a tonneau cover that is removable, but it's good to hide your private belongings that you could have in the trunk. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer, one for the winter. Back seat has a 60-40 split, so you can have 1 seat down or 2 seats down or all 3 down. To get into the back of the CHR, you pull in the door handles on the top. They have cup holders in the doors. There's your power windows, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. There's side curtain airbags, totaling 10 airbags for the CHR. Anchor points for the child car seats. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable, heated with the signal integrated lamps. They're also power folding. Has an automatic halogen headlight system with LED daytime running lights. It has the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 144 horsepower and 139 pounds of torque. Come see our lineup of our new 2019 Toyota CHR at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.